This 3D video shows the detailed working process of the sunflower working plant. In fact, before the pressing, before we extract the sunflower oil from the seeds, there are many steps to be done and to be complete in advance. The first is to clean up the seeds, and this is the elevator. The elevator transfers the oil seeds into the cleaning machine. This one is the first machine to clean up the light impurities from seeds. This one is vibrating screen. It is used to remove the light impurities from the seeds. And then this one is magnetic separator. This one is magnetic separator. It is used to remove the metal impurities from the seeds and to at the same time to prevent the damage of the subsequent equipment. And this one is destoner. It is used to remove the heavy impurities from the oil seeds. And after this machine, we will get the clean seeds. And these clean seeds will transfer into the cracker. This cracker is make the sunflower seeds into the small piece to remove, to increase the oil yield, and at the same time, it can reduce the pressure of the subsequent equipment. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to our lab. And this step is a mixture of the kernels and nuts after the cracker. And after the cracking, we will get the mixture. And now we need the machine called kernel husk separator. It will help us to get the kernels from the mixture. And then we will get the kernel. And the next step is a flacker. The flacker will make the seeds into the small piece and to improve the oil yield. And the last step is cooker. And the transfer elevator will transfer the seeds into the next stage. And this one is the cooker. In the complete production line, we will use a vertical steam cooker. It has several layers. We can check on the video, and it has several layers. And it will bring the temperature and humidity to the best before the seeds enter the press, and to keep the best solution condition of the seeds. And after the cooker, we can say, and the transfer, the elevator. Now this is another elevator to transfer the seeds into the next stage. And according to the customer's demand and the needs, we will configure another cooker above the oil press to ensure that the best conditions are maintained before the seeds enter the press. We can check, and the cooker is above the oil press machine. And each of our model will test many times before entering the market. So the machine is very easy to operate with high oil yield and low failure rate. Okay, and after this stage, the last stage is the filtration stage. So this oil residue scraper will collect the residue to the oil press machine for the secondary press, and the oil will enter the clarification tank. This clarification tank will filter out a part of the solids, and then the oil pump, the crude oil will pump into this lead filter by the oil pump, and this machine is specially designed for filtering the solid and liquids. And now we will get the clean crude oil, and the oil pump will pump the crude oil into the crude oil tank. And this is a complete oil sunflower oil extraction equipment.